Hello, what's up guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will be discussing about SBI credit cards, and I have received this SBI credit card and I'm gonna opening this box, and I'll tell you that what is inside is this box. So first of all, let's discuss about the what are the credit cards. Credit cards are the some similar about the debit cards. In debit card, what we have a similar saving account or current account, and we have some deposited money in it. But what in credit cards, that some organization or a bank of group of bank or banks that issues a credit card amount of loan, that is called credit limit. I have purchased this credit card from the PayTm. Not purchased, I took it from, I applied over there and I took this SBI card from the PayTm. Why we need credit? You all know that nowadays needs are increasing day by day, and for the needs, to fulfill the needs and desire, we have to buy the things those are right now required. So for that, companies offer us a amount as a loan to fulfill our need right now, so that we can purchase these things right now, and we should pay the things, so that company can gain interest from this. If we are buying something from the EMI option, then they will definitely be getting some amount of interest. But what we have, when I needed the money, I saw an option in the PayTm, there was credit card. So I went over there, I clicked by over there, and I just applied for it. There are a lot of details I have to fill, like address and PAN card details, current mailing address, and your salary slip if you are a salaried person, identity card like Aadhaar card you have to mention over it. And after applying it, they have collected my KYC, like they just took my fingerprint and OTP also over there, and I have applied for, I have signed over there, consent was sent to them. After that, I received a call for the approval. Then they called me 2-3 times for the verification of the address, verification of the details I have mentioned over there. And after that, what happened, that the final call I received from the manager, that you have approved your credit card, and you will be getting after 7 days. So I got they sent me by delivery, and I got a tracking ID also. Today, right now, I received this credit card. You can see here my address, delivery DVRY is written, and my name is written also. There are a lot of personal details are written there, and there are a lot of process. What is the special process to be followed to use this in the starting beginning? So whatever is, it is written here. So this card is Simplex, I think Simplex card SBI, and it is annual charge. Its annual charge is like 499 rupees per year, and there are a lot of benefits also. PayTm is offering some also cashbacks, 1% on fuels. There are a lot of cashbacks, and you can use for the online shopping. Offline you can use in grocery stores wherever it is available. So this is very useful. I think you must have it, and you have to pay the amount within a certain time of limit. So you have to decide a fixed date. Every month you have to pay the bill before that due date. So it will be decided by you that what kind of due date you want to decide according to your salary, when you are getting your salary. So this was all about the credit card. So let me open this box. I'm opening it. I have a, what we can say, nail cutter. I don't have a what is standard equipment to cut this, but just doing it. Wow, it is like this. It is too good packing. Yeah, I didn't know that. I was thinking that there must be an envelope, but they have a standard packing. I didn't know about that. Let's see what is there. Let me show you. PayTm SBI card. There is a box, and it is SBI card. It is written here. Say hello to your PayTm SBI card. So let's open it. I'm opening it, and you can see this is the first box, and this is also something like make every move a rewarding one. Okay, definitely. PayTm SBI card, what is written here? It is giving the benefit is written here. What PayTm SBI card is giving you benefit is written here. Thank you for choosing the PayTm SBI card, designed to complete your lifestyle. Complimentary PayTm first membership and 750 rupees cashback on PayTm Mall, maybe 3% cashback on PayTm apps. If you will spend, 1% cashback on all other spend across millions of offline and online stores. cyber fraud insurance worth 1 lakh rupees. If you will face the cyber fraud, then you will have to report it about the fraud, and after you will be getting 1 lakh rupees for the cyber fraud. This is signed by director and CEO of SBI card. There is some standard process is written. This is card. My name is written here. I don't know, there is no number over it. There is a chip only, and there are numbers written, numbers and date of life, everything is written here. In the back side, this is Visa card. This is Visa card, and like nothing much is written. You can see my credit card, black credit card. There is something. This page is also it have. It is something, stay alert, do not share your card number, expiry date, CVV pin, OTP, etc, etc. Okay, online, offline, what, visit SBI card. This is the generating pin. This is the process of generating pin and all details. Credit limit is rupees only. Like this card, they have written the credit limit. Okay, they have mentioned my credit limit also. They have mentioned like on which date you have to pay the money. It is also written over there. Yeah, I thought that I must have to decide, but in some banks they do give you chance to decide on which date you want to pay the bill. But no issue, I'll use this credit card definitely, and I can't share my personal details with you. I must be thinking that I have. There are booklets also. There are 2 booklets also inside it. India's most silenced credit card is here. Sincere, sorry, sincere. Let's see, I'll read it whenever I'll get a time. I'll read them fully. Terms and conditions is written on this book. Let me show you. This is the most useful thing inside it. So I'll keep it and I'll generate my pin. That's it. I can use it online also by app, and I can use it offline also in the stores by filling fuels and all. So it is very helpful nowadays. I know that. That's why I purchased it. So guys, this video is gonna end here. If you found it a little bit useful, then subscribe my channel and also like and share. Again, I'm saying that please like and share, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.